Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to easily change the default search engine in Safari on your iPhone. First things first, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section with all your apps listed. You might have to scroll a little bit. Keep scrolling until you spot the Safari app. Tap on it to open Safari's settings. Alright, now you're in the Safari settings. Look for the option that says Search Engine. It should be pretty easy to find. Tap on that. Here, you'll see a list of available search engines. Just choose the one you want to use as your default. For this example, I'm going to select DuckDuckGo. Once you tap on your chosen search engine, a checkmark will appear next to it. That's it. You can now exit the Settings app. Now when you open Safari and type something into the URL bar to search, it'll automatically use the search engine you just selected. In my case, it will be DuckDuckGo. And that's how you change the default search engine in Safari on your iPhone. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, remember to subscribe for more travel tips and tech tutorials. This was just my experience, and links to helpful resources can be found in the description. Thanks for watching.